Okay, I'm taking another look at Scribble.io as a blogging platform. Had a look today. I found it quite hard to find actually. It's not that well known yet, and I finally found it on another site, Product Hunt. Okay, I signed up again, email, and started using it. On the left is where you set it up. So I put a title, put some text, and over here is the design view. So I'm on the middle. I've got the sort of working side here, and on the right the design view. So you can show this will be the preview on the right, that right icon, the middle, right, and preview. So left is right. So that's the title. Looking at Scribble My Blog, looking at Scribble My Blog, and I've put a link in there. So link option is here, insert link. You can have H1, H2, H3, bold, italic, upload an image, put a link in, unordered list, and ordered list, divider. It's not doesn't appear to be cut. There is insert divider. That's insert block cut quote. Insert code or insert code block. The difference will be insert code, it will just look like how it does on the left. Code block is going to look how it does on the right. So I'll show you. I'll move that down. So if I selected insert code block, that's going to come up. That's an example there. Yeah. That's gone above everything actually. I meant it to go below, but the cursor must have been at the top. So that there's the example. So if you paste it in, it would come up with a background. Had a look at this a while ago because I wanted to see the HTML and the CSS behind it, but there's no view because I'd like to know how to have that. I'd like to know how to do that on my blog. It's much more presentable because look, you can copy on it as well, so that would be very handy. There is an export feature which I've tried, but it was in an MD file which I couldn't open, so I can't actually look at HTML and CSS on it, which is a shame because that's probably a background made out of CSS, and also the text is coloured like it might be on Visual Studio Code editor. That'd be awful handy. I put that in. Well, this looks very good. I'm going to save. I'll save there. And there, like on Blogspot, it gives you some options. So that would be edit. This would be settings, publish, etc. Delete option. Up here, I could go to my profile. As I said before, there's an export data, but I couldn't do much with that. Edit profile, log out. Let's go to the profile. As I said earlier, it's quite hard to find Scribble.io, but easy to use and could be an option if you want to have a blogging platform to show code. Good simplicity, nice clean look, and the code can be presented very well and copied from. Looks very nice. I left a link on Twitter so I can go back to I can find my profile. I won't have to sign in again with email. The dark mode there, light mode, dark mode. So that's all I've done there. So read more, read more on the any blog, so I suppose blogs would just list down like they do on Blogger. So I'm going to select again, so I can do more work on that. I can edit it. On the first video I thought there was going to be some sort of functionality, but no, it's just a blogging platform. Quite neat, quite tidy, simple, but could be very effective for someone who wanted to show code. Might be worth looking at. Not much else to do on it really.